jailbreak. Got no time for a mistake. Any moment till the day breaks. No more time to get to know you. I've been working on a jailbreak. Keep it calm with the fast pace. Any moment till the day breaks. No more time to get to know you. Now I'm living in a dream. Now I'm living in a dream. And I don't think I'm ever gonna wake up. Now I'm living in a dream. Now I'm living in a dream. And I don't think I'm ever gonna wake up. See, I've been working on a jailbreak. Got no time for a new fate. Any moment they'll replace me. Should have tried to get to know you. I've been working on my timing. Insecurity beside me. But your taste is so inviting. Should have tried to get to know you. Now I'm living in a dream. Now I'm living in a dream. And I don't think I'm ever gonna wake up. Now I'm living in a dream. Now I'm living in a dream. And I don't think I'm ever gonna wake up.
JB, what happened, man?
Got her stuck. Simple as that. Tripped over your monster there, bud.
Tripped on your beer.
Well, it's too long living in the same old lies. Yeah, I feel too cold to live, too young to die. Yeah, will you walk the line like it's there to choose? Yeah, just forget the wins, it's the best to use. the jungle. Ain't no God on my streets in the heart of the jungle. Follow me into the jungle. Ain't no God on these streets in the heart of the jungle. Won't you follow me into the jungle? In the city of lights. In the backstreet girls in the neon.
Really?
What happened?
Where are you going, bud?
I hit a tree.
So, JB, what happened here, bud?
No, it's not a souvenir. You see, I hit that tree.
Won't you follow me into the jungle? Ain't no God on my streets in the heart of the jungle. Won't you follow me into the jungle? Ain't no God on these streets in the heart of the jungle. Won't you?
Me and Storby up on the ledge here. Out here ripping shit up. Drinking beer.
Just got through them pow fields over the Chippertooth Valley. There.
Protein bar quick.
Get swole.
Whole operation's cocked, boys.
No. I'm done. I'm not helping
Where?
you.
We're stuck in here. JB's whining again.
Pick it up.
Hey, they hired me to be a cameraman for this trip.
Try to drive, man.
Keep it on the road. Does this make you uncomfortable? No. It should.
I'll smack that thing right out of your hand.
You won't do it.
Fuck yeah, bud. Just over it, are you, bud? Just over it. Just over it, are you, bud? Just over it. Just over it, are you, bud? Just over it. Just over it, are you, bud? Just over it. I come from the land of the polite, where shit's covered in ice. So when I'm down in the States, they're like, you're too fucking nice. I'm like, yeah, we got mad.